5 cool math tricks that will impress everyone. It is a fact that math is a very important tool for better understanding of the world. But while some people find exact science enlightening, others consider it to be incredibly boring. If you're not a big fan of numbers, we are going to prove you that even something as tedious as numbers can be fascinating. Here are 5 incredible math tricks for you. Hello everyone, welcome back! If you're new here, make sure to hit the button below to subscribe and don't forget to like this video. Number 1. Reading minds. Ask a friend to choose a number between 1 and 20. Let's say it's a 6. Then tell them to add up 5 to that number. Multiply the sum by 3. After that, they have to subtract 15 from the results. Now it's time to put on your best mysterious face and say, "If you tell me what you've got, I will tell you the number you thought." They will say 18, so 18 divided by 3 gives you the number 6, which was the chosen number. Pretty cool, right? Number 2. Multiplying by 11. It's really easy to multiply a 2-digit number by 11 if you have a calculator, or if you know one little secret. Let's take the number 23. First, you add up the digits 2 and 3, which gives you 5. Now put 5 between 2 and 3, and guess what? You get the results. Don't believe it? You can check on your calculator. Now, let's use a higher number this time. For instance, the number 95. If you do the exact same thing, add up 9 and 5, you will get 14. And put it between 9 and 5, you will get the number 9145, which is not the correct answer. What you actually should do is take the second digit 4 and put it between 9 and 5 and add up 1 to the 9, and you will get the correct answer, which is 1045. Okay, now let's review this. Multiplying 23 by 11. First, 2 plus 3, you get 5. Put the number between 2 and 3 and get 253. Multiplying 95 by 11. Add up 9 and 5, get 14. Put 4 between 9 and 5 and add up the remaining 1 to the first digit, which is 9. And there is the answer, 1045. Number 3. Guessing the age. Here is a math trick to help you find out the age of a friend without asking it directly to him or her. Well, let's assume your friend is 25 years old. Offer them to multiply their age by 5. Add 8 to this number and multiply the results by 2. Then they have to subtract 6 from it and multiply it by 10. Now you ask, what was the result of these equations? Subtract 100 from the number and divide it by 100. And there you go. The number you get is the age of your friend. Bravo! Number 4. Fibonacci sequence. This sequence of numbers are characterized by the fact that every number after the first 2 is the sum of the 2 preceding numbers. So here's a trick for you to impress your friends. Ask them to write down 2 different numbers, in which the bigger one comes first. Make sure to stay aside so your friend won't think that you are picking. Now tell them to sum up the numbers and to write down the results. Then to sum up again the last 2 and write the results. Let him continue until 10 numbers are written down. Next, you come up and write the sum of all the numbers right away. If your friend wants, he can check on the calculator, but the result will match. Imagine how surprised they will be after you add up 10 numbers in seconds. Here is the little secret. You will multiply the 7th number in the column by 11, which you already know how to do. The number you get is also the result of summarizing all the 10 numbers your friend wrote. Cool, right? Number 5. Guessing the results. And last but not least, with this trick, you will definitely impress many of your friends. For this one, you will write down a 4-digit number. Then ask your friend to write down another 4-digit number below. It should be different from the one you wrote. Next, you write another 4-digit number under that, and then ask another person to write another 4-digit number, and then you go again. After that, offer someone to add up all 5 numbers. When the result is written down, you bring back your mysterious face and surprise everyone by taking a piece of paper out of your pocket and showing them the results. So here is the explanation, and I assure you it doesn't involve magic. Let's take a look at the second and the third numbers. The second is written down by a friend and the third by you. The sum of these numbers have to be 9,999. This means that you have to write down a number which added up to the second one would equal 9,999. The same has to happen with the last 2 numbers. So here's the secret. Once you have the first row of 4 digits, write down the number 2 and add the original number in front of it. Then you subtract 2 from the last digit. For example, if the original number is 4,238, it will be 24,236. After you have written down these results, save it in your pocket for the grand finale. If you don't make any mistake, the sum of the 5 numbers will be equal to the one you have in your pockets. Do you still think math is boring? Which one is your favorite trick? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to be up to date to any new curiosities. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like.